Welcome back to Info Shorts channel. Today video is very special. Why? Because I'm going to start a YouTube channel using only AI. And I will share with you everything step by step. I plan to automate the entire creative process, from choosing the niche, naming the channel, design logo and banner, script writing to visuals, voiceovers and more. Let's see if AI can do it all for me. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, for 100 YouTube channel niches. As you can see, there are so many to choose from. I will choose facts and trivia. I like this one, because I've seen channels out there where all they post are videos of a voice sharing fun facts over stock footage and images. I think this is a perfect niche for AI channel. Because these videos are faceless and they don't really require any original ideas or footage. Since our channel has been created, we now need to figure out our branding. Starting with our name. I will ask ChatGPT to generate 10 YouTube channel names about facts by someone name. Name should be catchy, based on generated results. So I will name it Info Shorts Fact Quest. Next up, our channel description. I will ask ChatGPT. Write an exciting first-person bio and an AI channel that makes videos on fun and interesting facts with an epic backstory. And here is the result. Now, onto our profile picture. I'm gonna use Stable Diffusion, an open source AI art generator. Let's generate a smart baby cartoon profile picture. Okay, nice, I will use this one. Now we need a banner. I'm just going to use our profile picture and Canva. Awesome! And boom! The channel's branding is all done, and all done by AI only. Let us take a look on the channel. In next video we will move to the real challenge, is making the videos. Until next video. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.